Okay, folks, this is our last one here, example number 4. And you know what? I told you earlier, the quadratic formula, right? Quadratic formula. I'm just abbreviating, right? That's going to be minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. I write it every time I do a problem like that so I remember it. Do you see that this formula right here, oh, don't want that, that this form, okay, help me out here. This formula, yes, is going to simplify into something that looks like that. Okay, so they're having us practice now with sort of the whole thing. Okay, and that's going to be easy enough. But you're going to see that since it has 3 plus or minus 4 root 5 over 4, this is really two problems. It's 3 plus 4 root 5 over 4. And 3 minus 4 root 5 over 4. And I need to treat it that way. Now, guys, what I'm going to do here, it says round your answer to the nearest thousandth. How many zeros in 1,000? Here's 1,000. 3 zeros, all right, 3 places. All right, so now we know. Now, I want to round to 3 places. My answer should have 3 numbers behind the decimal point. What I'm going to do here is, the very first thing I'm going to do is take the square root of 5. So second square root 5, enter. And I'm going to get 3 plus 4 times, and guys, I don't round this, 2.236 0679778. I never round till I get to my answer. Okay? I'll get to that other one in a minute. Then I'm going to multiply times 4. All right? And I'm going to get 3 plus 8.944 27191 all over 4. Then I'm going to add 3 plus 3, and I'm going to get 11.944279191. Mr. Cortez, I use my calculator. How can I show my work? I'm using a calculator. You see how I'm showing every step. All right, and then divide by 4, and I'm going to get 2.986067978. And you know what? It said round to the nearest thousandth. So I want to keep 3 numbers. Look at the one just outside the gate. Forget these others. They don't matter. And I can see my answer is going to be 2.986. Now, there's a bit of a shortcut I can do for this, for the negative one. I know it's going to be 3 minus 8.944279191 all over 4, right? Because that's what 4 times the square root of 5 equals, right? We did it in the other problem. But now I'm going to have to use my calculator and do 3 minus 8.944279191 Bueller. And I'm going to get negative 5.944279191 all over 4. And then I'm going to divide by 4, and I'm going to get negative 1.4860679778. And remember, it asks us to round to 3 places to the thousandth. So I'm going to look just outside and forget this other stuff, don't care. And that's going to give me negative 1.486. So my two answers are 2.986 and negative 1.486. All right? Good job, guys. I think you're ready for your homework.